What's going on, everybody? Thanks for clicking on the channel. Thanks for clicking on the clip. We've got the little one, Dimitri, out, 9 years old, on a little TRX, running around the track, learning his way, getting used to the ropes.
Ah, there you go.
He's been riding
Fire
for a
camera,
while. Still got to learn how to shift, but he's definitely getting a good grip on these quads and dirt bikes. The more he rides, the better he gets.
Young.
Definitely worth a like on the video. Teach these kids young, get them used to riding, get them used to the noise.
Oh, even cooler.
Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. We got more builds and ride videos coming.
A little bit of a whip around that corner.
Not 100%, like, I think it's got a loose tire rod in, so I'm not gonna go messing with it too much.
Right. You don't seem to be handling it bad at all.
He's lugging it real bad, but
Go ahead, throw a comment in there. Tell me what you think of these kind of videos.
So many times about holding it wide open in first gear that
Don't
you
be
just
shy.
hear it screaming.
Helps out the
Yep,
channel,
and he's
pushes
not
the
shifting,
content to
so-
more and more people. Not getting a whole lot of views, so yep, the more we can push it, the better off the channel gets. Stick around for a couple of little giggles at the end.
Like a bobblehead doll.